Hello Aisha. This is the problem based on differentiation. Here f of x is equal to x cube plus x square, f dash of 1 x into f dash of 2 plus f double dash of 2 plus f triple dash of 3. We need to find out f of 2. When do we are able to find out f of 2? Whenever you know f of x. So f of x is given, but f double dash, f dash, f double dash, f triple dash given. Means we have no f of x directly, but by using the parent equation we need to find out f of x. How it is possible? Whenever we know f dash, f double dash, f triple dash, then only we know f of x. So f of x completely depend on the derivatives of these functions. So we need to find out these values. How it is possible? When do we find f dash? Whenever we know f of x. So completely the parent equation should be differentiable. By getting some differentiable equations, by differentiating the given parent equation, we may be able to find out f of x. So let's try how to. Suppose if you differentiate the given parent equation with respect to x, we get f dash of x is equal to 3x square plus 2x into f dash of 1 plus f double dash of 2 plus f triple dash of 3 is also there, that will be cancelled. F triple dash of 3 will be cancelled, that is 0. Okay. Now here it is f dash of x is equal to 3x square in terms of f dash and f dash of 2, f double dash of 2. But in the given equation we need f dash of 1, f double dash of 2 is needed, f dash of 1 and f double dash of 2. So if we keep f dash of 1, if we keep x is equal to 1, we get f dash of 1 is equal to 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 into f dash of 1 plus f double dash of 2. So here what happens? By taking f dash of 1 to this side or this one to that side, we get f dash of 1 is equal to minus 3 minus f double dash of 2. This is equation 1. Here it is equation, the relation between f dash of 1 and f double dash of 2. We need these two quantities in the given function to find out f of x, so that these two values are to be determined in addition to f triple dash of 3. So that again I am differentiating the f double dash derived function f dash of x. Then what happens? F double dash of x is equal to 6x, because the 3x square is there, the derivative of 3x square 6x plus 2 into x derivative 1, 2 into f dash of 1. F double dash of 2 this time becomes 0 as it is constant. So here it is the relation between f dash of 2 and f dash of 1. Suppose if we keep x is equal to 2, then what we have? F double dash of 2 is equal to 6 into 2 means 12 plus 2 into f dash of 1. 2 into f dash of 1. This means let it be equation 2. So equation 1 f dash of 1, f double dash of 2. Equation 2 f double dash of 2 and f double dash of f dash of 1. So these are, let them be x and y. They can be solved from these two equations. Ultimately we get f dash of 1, f double dash of 2. So f triple dash of 3 we need. So given equation f double dash of x again differentiated. Suppose if you derive again, f triple dash of x is equal to 6. it is a constant function. That implies f triple dash of 3 is also 6. So from this f triple dash of 3 we get. So using this quantity and from f dash of 1 and f double dash of 2, from these two equations we substitute in the given equation and we get the function f of x. These are two equations. Put f dash of 1 in this equation. So f double dash of 2 is equal to 12 plus 2 into f dash of 1 is minus 3 minus f double dash of 2. So what we get? 12 minus 6 minus 2 into f double dash of 2, which is equal to 6 minus 2 into f double dash of 2 is equal to, implies 3 into f double dash of 2 is equal to 6, implies f double dash of 2 is equal to 2. This is f double dash of 2. F double dash of, from equation 1, from 1, f dash of 1 is equal to minus 3 minus f dash of 2, which is equal to minus 3 minus f dash of 2 already, minus 3 f double dash of 2, f double dash of 2 already 2, that is equal to minus 5. This is f dash of 1. So f dash of 1 is there and f dash of 1 is equal to minus 5 and f double dash of 2 is equal to 2 and f triple dash of 3 is equal to 6. So these quantities are given. F of x, therefore f of x is equal to, already given function is x cube plus x square into f dash of 1 plus 3 into f double dash of 2 plus f triple dash of 3. So substituting, what we get? F of x is equal to x cube plus x square into f dash of 1 is 5 minus 5 plus 3 into f double dash of 2 is 2. I think it is x into 2 plus f triple dash of 3 is equal to 6. So this is x cube minus 5x square plus 2x plus 6. So put x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. That is equal to 2 cube minus 5 into 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus 6 is equal to 8 minus 20 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to, this is a 10 plus is 18 minus 20 minus 2. I think if there is any calculation mistake, once again verify. It is the actual way of doing these kind of sums.